You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more Spanish and food names from Spain, in particular Mexico as well, Mexican, make sure to stay tuned. Spanish pronunciation, bistec. This means, the meaning is a steak, and you can sort of hear it. Bistec. Bistec is how it's pronounced in Spanish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.